Backpack leaf blowers offer powerful performance and comfortable hands-free operation, making them ideal for clearing large yards and heavy debris. The best models combine strong airflow, durability, and reduced fatigue for faster, easier cleanup. Starting at number 1, Poulan Pro. Poulan Pro PR48BT. Poulan Pro PR48BT 48cc 2-cycle gas 475 CFM 200 mph backpack leaf blower. A gas-powered backpack blower with a 48cc 2-cycle engine that delivers up to 475 CFM of airflow and 200 mph airspeed for effective leaf and debris clearing. It features a variable speed throttle with cruise control and an ergonomic adjustable harness to reduce fatigue during longer jobs, making it a solid choice for homeowners with medium to larger yards. Number 2. Makita EB5300TH. Makita EB5300T 52.5cc MM4R 4-stroke engine tube throttle backpack blower. A professional-grade gas-powered backpack blower with a 52.5cc 4-stroke MM4R engine that delivers strong airflow, around 516 CFM and up to 184 mph, for efficient leaf and debris clearing without the need to mix fuel. It's built for comfort and longer use with padded straps, adjustable handle, anti-vibration mounts, and a quieter operation, a 70-pound Poulan dBA. Making yard work easier and more ergonomic. Number 3. Greenworks ADV Brushless Backpack. Greenworks ADV Cordless Brushless Backpack Blower with 2.5 Ah battery and rapid charger. A battery-powered backpack blower with up to 610 CFM airflow and 180 mph airspeed for clearing leaves and yard debris without gas. Powered by an ADV brushless motor, it delivers strong performance with variable speed, cruise control, and a turbo boost button. The kit includes a 2.5 Ah battery and a rapid charger, and the ergonomic padded harness helps reduce user fatigue during longer jobs. Number 4. Husqvarna 350BT Gas Leaf Blower. Husqvarna 350BT Gas Backpack Leaf Blower. A powerful gas-powered backpack blower with a 50.2cc 2-cycle X-Torque LAR engine that delivers up to 692 CFM of airflow and 180 mph airspeed for strong leaf and debris clearing performance. It features an ergonomic padded harness system, adjustable handle, cruise control, low vibration reduction, and an air purge for easier starts, making it comfortable and efficient for larger yard cleanup jobs. Number 5. Ego Power Plus Backpack Leaf Blower. Ego Power Plus Backpack Leaf Blower. LB6000, 600 CFM battery and charger not included. A powerful cordless backpack blower with a brushless motor that delivers up to 600 CFM airflow and 145 mph airspeed for efficient clearing of leaves and debris. It features variable speed control with a turbo boost button, an adjustable harness and tube for comfort and quieter, lighter operation compared with gas models. Designed to work with Ego's 56V arc lithium batteries, sold separately for extended runtime.